Hey guys, Louise's Adventures here. Sorry I haven't done a video in a while. I've been super busy. Got a new job now that I've been at for about a month, so I haven't really had time and the chance to get out and make a video, but here I am today. I've really missed being outside making my videos. I want to thank all my subscribers, now up to 900, pushing for the 1,000 mark. That would be incredible. So today I'm up here with Bushwacker Man at the wattle camp. It's super cool. Haven't been up here in ages. Last time I saw it, this was like half done. This was like half sort of built. So now I'm here and it looks super cool. So gonna help Dad throw some leaves on here, make something to eat and just enjoy the great outdoors. So stay watching. Thanks. Just having a walk round the camp now. It's a little buzzy. So this is the lean-to that Mum and Becky built. And this is the wattle camp that Bushwacker Man done. It's so cool. Would love to do a night in there. I probably will at some point when I find the time to do that. How's it going? Chilling? Thinking?
Yeah.
So what's this one then?
That's Becky's wigwam. Just got to finish off.
That's cool. It's a bit overgrown in there. One man and his dog, loving the great outdoors. Get outside, guys. Get in nature. It feels great! The roof on the wattle camp is now nearly completed. As you can see, sorry it's pretty sunny. Just got a few more bits to put on there. And now what I'm doing is getting the fire pit ready, as I'm going to make some food. Yeah, don't get your hopes up, guys. I know you love my cooking. However, it's just going to be basic, just a few sausages and bits like that, nothing major. So it's not going to be a full camp cookout, just some basic sausages. Beautiful. So Bushwacker has now finished the roofing of the wattle camp, haven't you?
Well, nearly.
Right, what's left to do?
Got to make it a bit thicker.
Yeah?
Yeah, and the top, there's a hole in the top as well, so I'm going to try and fill that in. And it needs a bit more around the sides, so it's waterproof.
Nice. It looks good to me. So,
Ready to move in.
you ready for your sausages?
Yeah, cheers Louise. Very
Slightly
nice.
burnt, but slightly tasty.
Very nice. Cheers Louise, very nice.
Did you just make a little fork there?
Well, a little cocktail stick.
Oh yeah. Very nice.
It's hot.
Told you.
Hard day's work. Get some sausage.
I'm now in the wattle camp. It's pretty cosy in here, isn't it?
Yeah, it's how your ancestors used to live. We've come a long way since then, haven't we?
Yeah, haven't we, Buzzy? Thanks for watching, guys. Had a great time at the wattle camp with Bushwacker Man.
Cheers Louise.
Yeah, it's been great. It's gone quick. So I'm going to be doing a question and answer in my next video. So if you have any questions for me, anything, drop them in the comments below and I'll be answering them. Thanks to all my subscribers and your likes and all your comments. It means a lot.